So you guys, you want to check out this project, Dogs of Elon. So it's a project that came out just some days back in November, and in past 24 hours, it has come out on ApolloX Exchange, Gates.io, Mex Global, and lots of them, guys. So you can check the official page on Telegram. This is it. I'm currently signed there. You can check it out. There are about 70,000 people. So you want to check out the price movement to see how it is. You want to check out the price movement to see how it is. So those are some of the perks about this project, guys. Meanwhile, you can also check out their listing on exchanges such as Meg, and lots, guys. Lots of them. I assume this channel is currently not active. I'm going to try to see if there's any other updates. So guys, Dogs of Elon, I'm going to be dropping the link to Dogs of Elon on CoinMarketCap in the description box below. You can check them to see their current price movement and lots, guys. On the official Telegram group, you get infos and information. So it says here on your pin post, it said DEX, why benefits, many benefits for users who use DEX and do Dogs of Elon X DEX. So we have also decided to approve the listing for other projects. So each token project that has sent a listing request for Dogs of Elon this DEX, our team will first research very well, then approve the listing. So our team is also considering asking for a fee listing for other projects, and then the same fee listing team is using for a buyback Dogs of Elon or DOE token. So when we have more information about everything, we'll let you know. So in just 6 days, they were listed on Octbeat, BKS, Lbank, Gate.io, Polonius, Mex Global, and lots of them, guys. So guys, if you find this update helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, your keys. We're currently giving out giveaways to our 1,000 to 5,000 subscribers. So you want to be part of the family, guys. If you have any questions, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Peace out, guys. Your keys.